Tesla has always been at the forefront of innovation, and now, with the announcement of the Model Q 2025, the company promises to take the accessibility of electric vehicles to a new level. Elon Musk presented this model as a more economical alternative, without giving up the advanced technologies that characterize the brand's cars. What really sparked the public's interest was a recent appearance at Giga Texas, a smaller, covered vehicle which generated a wave of speculation. Could it finally be the long-awaited Model 2? Or, as it has already been called, the Tesla Model Q? Although there is still no official confirmation, the signs suggest that this car could revolutionize the affordable EV market. The rumors gained even more strength after the leak of a video supposedly recorded inside Tesla's facilities, in which a camouflaged vehicle appears in the background, reinforcing the idea that the Model Q is already in an advanced testing phase. This would not be a surprise. After all, Musk has been promising a truly affordable electric car for years. Now, with competitors like BYD and other Chinese automakers expanding their presence in the low-cost EV sector, Tesla appears ready to respond. The big question that remains is, will the Model Q be able to offer the Tesla experience without compromising on price? All indications are that it will. In addition to being more affordable, it will combine technology and efficiency in a way that could redefine the concept of an electric car for the general public. The main difference is that, despite being cheaper, the model will maintain essential features of the brand, such as advanced safety, robust autonomy, and technological innovations. Sources close to the company suggest that the Model Q will be produced using a new assembly approach, reducing costs without sacrificing quality. This could mean the large-scale implementation of Tesla's Giga Press technology, streamlining manufacturing and simplifying the structure of the vehicle. Speaking of costs, one of the most eagerly awaited pieces of information is the Model Q's final price. Although there has yet to be official confirmation, it is speculated that it could cost between $18,000 and $25,000, making it the most affordable Tesla to date. Of course, this price will depend on factors such as government incentives and production costs, but if these projections come true, the impact on the electric car market could be huge, forcing other automakers to reevaluate their strategies for affordable vehicles. The structure of an electric car goes far beyond its design and onboard technologies. The chassis is one of the most critical components for ensuring efficiency, safety, and drivability. In the case of the Tesla Model Q, the company opted for ultralight and highly resistant materials, combining aerospace-grade aluminum with carbon fiber-reinforced polymers. This choice was not made by chance. With a chassis up to 30% lighter than traditional steel structures, the Model Q promises greater energy efficiency, improved performance, and enhanced safety, without compromising durability. Aerospace-grade aluminum, widely used in aviation and even rocketry, has been used in key structural parts of the Model Q, including the underbody, roof racks, and side rails. This material not only reduces the vehicle's weight, but also improves its impact resistance and structural integrity. Additionally, because aluminum is highly recyclable, it contributes to more sustainable manufacturing, aligning with Tesla's core principles. But that's not all. The strategic use of carbon fiber reinforced polymers, CFRP, further improves the vehicle structure. This high-strength material is used in key areas such as the front and rear bumpers, door and fender reinforcements, ensuring lightness without compromising safety. CFRP is widely used in supercars and aircraft due to its incredible impact resistance and low weight. In the Model Q, this innovative combination reduces a car's weight by up to 20% compared to traditional steel, which directly improves efficiency, range, and driving dynamics. However, a lighter car does not mean it is less safe. To ensure that the Model Q maintains Tesla's safety standards, the automaker has incorporated strategically positioned crumple zones. In the event of a collision, these areas absorb and dissipate the impact energy, reducing the force transmitted to the occupants. In addition, the side panels have been reinforced to increase protection against side impacts, which are among the most dangerous. Another solution adopted by Tesla was the lowered center of gravity, achieved by installing the battery in the lower part of the vehicle. This approach, combined with a lightweight chassis, improves balance, making handling more stable and agile. As a result, The Model Q promises to offer responsive control and a safer and more engaging driving experience. One of the biggest concerns for electric car consumers is battery range. Tesla understands this need and, with the Model Q, introduced a revolutionary innovation, the extended range battery. This technology offers an additional 160 to 240 kilometers of range on demand, allowing long trips without relying exclusively on the charging infrastructure. But what really sets this battery apart from conventional ones? The secret lies in solid-state technology, which provides greater energy density, faster charging, and greater safety. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, solid-state batteries use solid electrodes and electrolytes, allowing more energy to be stored in a smaller space. In the Model Q, the extended range battery operates independently of the main system and is automatically activated when the main battery charge is low. This means that the driver does not need to manually manage energy consumption, as the car's own system does this intelligently and efficiently. This innovation not only increases the vehicle's range, but also extends the life of the main battery by avoiding unnecessary charging and discharging cycles. Another major advantage of this system is its modularity. The extended range battery can be removed when not needed, reducing weight and optimizing efficiency for urban commuting. Tesla has designed a quick connect system, allowing the driver to install or remove the module in just a few minutes using a special adapter in the rear charging port. This solution solves a common problem in current EVs, the need to carry a large battery all the time, even when the extra range is not essential. The charging speed of this battery is also impressive. Thanks to solid-state technology, it can reach 80% charge in just over an hour, a significantly shorter time compared to conventional batteries. Additionally, Tesla has integrated an advanced thermal management system to keep the battery temperature within a safe range, regardless of weather conditions or power demand. This feature is essential to ensure consistent performance and safety, especially in extreme temperatures, such as extreme cold or extreme heat. One of the biggest benefits of this innovation is the elimination of range anxiety, a major challenge for drivers considering the transition to electric vehicles. The ability to add an extra battery when needed increases user confidence by eliminating the constant worry of finding a charger along the way. For those who travel long distances or live in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing, this technology represents a significant advancement in the EV driving experience. This innovation could be a game changer. Another key point is that the auxiliary battery for extended range integrates seamlessly with the Model Q's energy management system. As soon as it is connected, the car automatically recognizes it and adjusts the energy flow to maximize both performance and efficiency. This way, the driver does not need to configure anything manually, as Tesla's software intelligently adjusts the settings, taking into account the needs of the route. This technology ensures a smooth transition between the main battery and the additional module without interfering with the driving experience. But an electric car is not just about range and efficiency. Comfort and drivability are essential factors in providing a pleasant experience for the driver. With this in mind, Tesla equipped the Model Q with an adaptive suspension system with artificial intelligence. This technology automatically adjusts the shock absorbers to offer the best possible response to road conditions, ensuring greater comfort and stability, regardless of the type of terrain. The Model Q suspension can adjust up to 50 times per second, using sensors throughout the vehicle to continuously analyze the conditions of the ground. This means that when driving over speed bumps or potholes, the system reacts instantly to soften the impacts, reducing vibrations inside the car. The goal is to provide a more comfortable ride, something that is often lacking in more affordable vehicles. This level of rapid response is only possible thanks to artificial intelligence and sensors that monitor the ground in real time. Another advantage of this technology is the ability to adjust the height of the vehicle. At higher speeds, the Model Q can lower its body by up to 5 centimeters, improving aerodynamics and, consequently, increasing energy efficiency. With less air resistance, battery consumption is optimized, allowing the car to travel more kilometers without needing to recharge. On the other hand, if the driver needs more height to tackle uneven terrain, the suspension can raise the vehicle by up to 9 centimeters, ensuring better ability to overcome obstacles. The secret behind this system lies in magnetorheological technology, which uses special fluids inside the shock absorbers. These fluids can change their viscosity in less than 10 milliseconds, allowing the suspension to become stiffer or softer as needed. This innovation, widely used in high-performance sports cars, was incorporated by Tesla into an affordable model, becoming a major differentiator of the Model Q. Safety was also a priority in the development of the suspension. The system features automatic leveling, ensuring that the vehicle maintains a stable height, even when carrying extra cargo in the trunk or additional passengers. This prevents unwanted tilting and keeps the center of gravity balanced, improving handling and steering response. For those who need to tow small loads, such as light trailers or bicycle racks, this system prevents the additional weight from compromising the car's performance. In addition, the Model Q has a dynamic curve assist, which adjusts the suspension to minimize excessive tilt when cornering at high speeds. It stiffens the suspension on the outside of the curve and softens on the inside, reducing body roll and helping to maintain a precise trajectory, reducing the risk of loss of control. This suspension adaptation also improves handling in extreme conditions, such as snow or mud. In these situations, Model Q can raise its ride height to provide better traction and prevent the bottom of the vehicle from scraping the ground, making for a safer and more stable ride even on challenging terrain. O sistema de suspenso intelligente do Model Q também evita que o veículo fique preso em terrenos desafiadores. Isso é especialmente vantajoso para motoristas que enfrentam invernos rigorosos ou o tráfego frequentemente por estradas de terra. A inteligência artificial do sistema consegue identificar padrões de deslizamento e ajustar automaticamente a rigidez de suspenso, garantindo mais estabilidade e traqueo em superfícies escorregadias. Essa tecnologia é diferencial raro entre os veículos elétricos acessíveis. Enquanto muitas montadoras ainda apostam em suspensos convencionais ou como just manuais, a Tesla levou a ao automatizer complemente esse processo, proporcionando conforto e controle superiores em qualquer condição de rodagem. Além de tornar a experiência de condução mais agradável, essa inovação também ajuda a reduzir o desgaste prematuro dos nos e componentes de suspenso, diminuindo os custos de manutenção a longo prazo. A eficiência de carro elétrico é diretamente ligada ao desempenho do motor e à gestão de energia, e a Tesla domina essa área como ninguém. No Model Q, a marca introduziu motor elétrico com revestimento de fibra de carbono, uma inovação que combina potência, leveza e durabilidade. Essa tecnologia, antes restrita a modelos premium como o Model S Plaid, agora chega a veículo mais acessível, garantindo conjunto motores mais eficiente e resistente ao desgaste. O segredo dessa melhoria está no uso de fibra de carbono para envolver o rotor e o estado do motor, reduzindo esse peso em 20% em comparação com motores convencionais. Menos peso significa menor consumo de energia para movimentar o carro, o que impacta diretamente na autonomia. Mas os benefícios não por AI. A rigidez estrutural proporcionada pela fibra de carbono permite que o motor atinja roteiros mais altos sem perda de eficiência, um aspecto crucial para o equilíbrio de desempenho e autonomia. Outro destaque desse motor é esse sistema de resfriamento avançado, projetado para evitar superaquecimento e garantir desempenho máximo em qualquer condição. A Tesla desenvolveu sistema de arrefecimento multifásico, onde fluido de alta condutividade térmica circula continuamente pelo motor. Esse sistema consegue dissipar a 150 kW de calor, mantendo a temperatura ideal mesmo sob aceleradores intensos ou longos trecos em alta velocidade. Como resultado, o Model Q entrega uma performance consistente, sem quedas de potência devido ao calor excessivo. A eficiência energética desse novo motor também impressiona. Enquanto motores elétricos convencionais operam com eficiência entre 90% e 95%, a verso do Model Q atinge 98%, minimizando desperdícios e ampliando a autonomia por carga, feito essencial para tornar o veículo mais econômico e funcional. Além disso, o torque foi otimizado para entregar acelerador suave e linear, tornando o carro ágil e responsivo ao menor toque no acelerador. Esse design aprimorado e reduco na massa rotational garantem uma condição mais dinâmica sem os engasgos típicos dos motores a combusto. Mas o conforto neo esse resume apenas ao desempenho mecânico. O ambiente interno do veículo também tem um papel essential no bem-estar dos passageiros. E a Tesla pensou nisso ao equipar o Model Q com avançado sistema de purificação de ar, o chamado Biodefense Climate System utiliza filtro HEPA de alta eficiência, capaz de capturar 97% das partículas em suspenso, incluindo poeira, pólen, fúmica, bactérias e 8 vírus. Isso garantiu uma quebra mais saudável e livre de poluentes, protegendo os ocupantes contra a poluição urbana, fúmica de incêndios florestais e outros agents nocivos do ar. The filtration used in the Model Q follows the same technology standards used in hospitals and aircraft, ensuring an internal environment free of invisible pollutants that could compromise health. The system is capable of completely renewing the cabin air in less than 4 minutes, making the driving experience much more pleasant, especially in places with high levels of air pollution. In addition to the HEPA filter, the Model Q has activated carbon filters designed to eliminate toxic gases and unpleasant odors. These filters are highly effective in removing volatile organic compounds, VOCs, substances present in exhaust fumes, industrial pollution, and even chemicals used in road paving. This technology is particularly useful in urban centers, where air quality can be severely affected by heavy traffic and factory emissions. Another interesting feature of the biodefense system is the allergy relief mode. By ionizing the air, it reduces the presence of allergens, such as animal dander, dust mites, and mold spores. The process works by releasing negative ions, which bind to particles suspended in the air, causing them to settle on the floor or be captured by the HEPA filter. For those suffering from rhinitis, sinusitis, or other respiratory conditions, this feature can make driving much more comfortable and free from irritation. Tesla has also incorporated a UVC light disinfection system into the ventilation system, an innovative solution for eliminating viruses and bacteria. This feature works fully automatically, without the need for additional maintenance, ensuring that the air circulating inside the vehicle is always clean. The Model Q stands out as one of the few electric cars to offer such a complete solution for purifying the air inside the cabin. Another strong point of the biodefense system is its automated operation, which adjusts the filtration according to the quality of the outside air. Integrated sensors detect high levels of pollutants, such as smoke and sulfur dioxide, instantly activating the advanced filtration mode without the need for the driver to intervene. This means that even in extreme situations, such as wildfires or pollution spikes, Model Q occupants will continue to breathe clean, safe air. Tesla didn't stop at just occupant comfort and health. It also enhanced safety. Model Q features an even more advanced version of Sentry Mode, a surveillance and theft deterrent system that keeps the vehicle under 24-hour monitoring, regardless of where it's parked.